Hello everyone, I'm going to reveal a mind-blowing, wallet-fattening secret that will enable you to make money from the comfort of your home. Imagine having a free AI-powered gadget that does the laborious tasks for you. It would be like having a robot that generates income. Before we get started, though, I want to share with you a website that I consider to be a hidden gem. It is universal. No matter where you are, including the crowded streets of the United States. And here's the kicker, joining this incredible platform won't cost you a dime, zero investment, my friends. But I'm about to reveal the golden goose of them all. While this software takes care of the heavy lifting, you can also try your hand at market research, typing gigs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and even online teaching. It's all at your fingertips, totally optional. Even if you stick with just the software, you can still pocket a sweet chunk of change every single day. You don't have to take my word for it, people from every corner of the globe are already cashing in on this opportunity. It's been dishing out cash since 2014, consistently delivering for over 6 years. If it didn't work, it'd be long gone. But it's here, and it's a bona fide winner. Now, let's get started. Head over to the official homepage and navigate to the career section. There, you'll find a smorgasbord of job categories, surveys, typing, teaching, and more. But today, we're diving deep into the world of online proofreading jobs, where you can earn a cool $5 to $10 for every 1,000 words you check. No need to fret about being an English wizard, we've got a nifty piece of software that'll do the hard work for you. It's so simple. Just copy and paste the article into the software, let it work its magic, and voila, you collect your earnings. Rinse and repeat. But hang on, there's more, some jobs go up to a staggering $300. And yes, the software does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, here's the kicker, when you snatch a job on this website, they'll send you an article like the one I showed you earlier. Most folks would have to slog through it, fixing all those grammar goofs themselves, but not you. Lucky you for tuning in today because I've got your back. I'll hook you up with a software that'll do all the heavy lifting. Just copy the article, paste it into the software, and you're golden. But before we dive into that game-changing software, let me walk you through how to land those high-paying gigs. Step 1, head to CJ Inc. Info Proofreading job page. Scroll down and hit Apply for Jobs. Then, grab the Download Application form. Choose your job proofreading and fill in your details. It's a worldwide opportunity, so pick any country you like, they've got jobs for you. Now, here's the secret sauce, when they ask for your current profession status, go with employed and freelancer. Trust me on this one, it'll open more doors for you. When it comes to available hours, choose 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. You're open for business all day, and the best part? You don't have to babysit your computer, these jobs take less than a minute. Yes, you heard me right, less than 60 seconds. So, you can be wherever you want while you're making money. When you get that job email, copy, paste, let the software do the heavy lifting, and boom, collect your earnings. Here's a pro tip, when they ask if you work with multiple companies, say yes. It's all about maximizing your earnings. Pick your favorite way to get paid, for me, it's PayPal, so I choose that option and drop in my PayPal email. Easy, right? Now, seal the deal, hit that submit button, and you're in the game. You've filled out the form, and now you're ready to roll. You'll start getting jobs, just like the one I showed you earlier. But how do you tackle those pesky grammar errors? Don't worry, I've got your back. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, now, here's the game plan. Highlight the entire article, right-click, and hit copy. Then, head over to this fantastic website. It's a free bot that does all the hard work for you, fixing those grammar errors in seconds. It's seriously a breeze, paste your text, and boom, it works like magic. Now, guys, we're almost there. Just scroll down and hit continue. Sit back and let the bot do all the heavy lifting for you. It's underlining all those grammar slip-ups and things you can fix. It's like having your own personal grammar guru. But wait, there's more, the second tool is Grammarly, and I've dropped the link below. You can even Google Grammarly proofreading, it underlines errors, you click, it fixes. You go to the next word, click again, and it's fixed. It takes less than a minute to complete. When you're done, just copy the whole article, head back to your creative jobs, submit your project, and here's the magic, get paid anywhere from $10 to a whopping $300 per job. It's literally copy-paste money. Finally, head over to cjinc.info, log in, and submit an application for those positions. Once you are in, you will be given an article to complete. Here's where the magic happens. Copy that article, add your work using the great free bots or programs I've provided, and hit enter. When the digital wizards have finished working their grammatical magic, you will have a polished article and may start collecting your money. I'm telling you, this is so simple that anyone can do it. No special training, no marketing, and definitely no waiting is required. One of the simplest methods I've lately discovered to generate money online is through affiliate marketing, and this isn't some sophisticated system. Let's go ahead and do it. Anyone, yes, practically anyone, can do it. It's as simple as pie. And that's it, my fantastic team. I appreciate you coming along on my money-making journey. Keep in mind that anyone can accomplish this, and it changes the game. Before you go, please help me out by clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, and sounding the notification bell. I appreciate you joining me on this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.